Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice carbonized gray coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the black appearance package, tow and haul package, and the bed utility package. Taking a look at the back here, you do get your lovely tow hitch, rear park sensing, backup camera. We do get a tailgate step with this vehicle as well, with mud flaps on the rear and front, with a gripped running board on each side. Side view camera with trailer tow mirrors, blind spot detection, turn light, and spotlight indicated. And move to the front, we do get a lovely hood deflector, front park sensing with rear front recovery hooks, license plate bracket, block heater, and a nice front view camera. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black sport cloth interior, plenty of door space, floor mats, carpet interior, cup holders, and some storage, rear vents, outlets for charging, and a nice split folding rear bench seat, which is perfect for extra storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have a power driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, auto stop alert, lights, spotlights, parking brake, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 17.5 kilometers. We got this nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle view screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking here, we have our gear select that is collapsible, tons of storage, outlets, cup holders, your center console with more storage. We have our drive modes, rear locking diff and four-wheel drive, trailer brake, pro trailer assist, heated front seats with dual climate, some outlets on the side here, storage above and below with storage on the dash. We do get a nice powered rear window opener, which is pretty handy. You got your park chimes that you can turn on or off, hazards and traction, and a nice 360 view of your vehicle, which you can go for different camera angles. Looking at our main screen here, you have your audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. You got your phone controls, your navigation, fave apps such as messaging, email, zone lighting, all that jazz. Any apps you may download will show up right here with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KE79496, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.